This is a tutorial on the HDL RS232 module. This particular one is about the HDL MRS232.431. This is designed to send and receive RS232 commands with other equipment, allowing you to perform better integration with third-party systems. Please note that you can also get custom firmware from the factory, from the R&D department, for other devices like the Somfy control system and some other devices. First of all, double-click on the RS232 module. Here, on the first page, you can select the port configuration. Check the user manual for the third-party system you are trying to integrate with. Different systems have different baud rates. You should select the correct one or it will not work. A typical one is 9600, stop bit 1, parity bit none. Next, you can change the different types of communication between the RS232 and the HDL Bus Pro. Typically, we are going to have ASCII control. That means normal characters. The next two tabs are for the two different directions of communication between the RS232 and the HDL Bus Pro. The first tab is from the external device RS232 to the bus. Here you have 200 memories and 200 different commands that can be recognized. To reveal all of them, type 200 here. Press read. Wait some time and the page will load the 200 available commands. For example, maybe the third-party system can send the light on. So, therefore, you can give a name of lights on. Now, you can select the command that it should recognize. It depends on the protocol of the third-party system. Maybe it's as simple as lights on. If you have some other formats, like the first character string or the end character string being a carriage return and a line feed, you can select that. Let's make another one for lights off. When you have finished inputting all the strings that it should recognize the text, press save. When it has finished saving, come back to the main screen. I will change this to 2, seeing as we are only using 2. I will press refresh. When you press it, on the right hand side, you can create the command on the HDL bus. For example, let's check out our relay module 40, subnet 40, device 5. Here we'll select 40, device 5, single channel control 100. This will turn relay channel 1 on. For the light off, we can do the same with 0. Now we have two commands, 100 and 0. What about sending RS232 from the bus? Here we can send them. Again, we have 200 commands, we will just reveal 5. Double click to change the remark. Let's say it could be projector on. This is, for example, a projector that has RS232. Again, this time we must assign a universal switch. I will use universal switch 1 and 2. 1 for on and 1 for off. So in order to send the RS232 commands for the projector on, we must send universal switch to subnet 40, device 7, UV switch 1 on. In fact, to make this even more clever, we can use universal switch 1 again, but use the off command. So now we have just used one universal switch on and off to turn the projector on and off. When you're finished, press save. Now we can select the on, double click, and we can put a delay, a format, and a string. You should know the string from the projector manual. For example, it might be something like Optima on. If you want to have a carriage return, select it here. For the off, we can select, again, another string. Again, refer to your manual for the correct string. In order to send the RS232, let's make an example from the DLP panel. I will use button 7 to turn the projector on and off. I will select a single on-off. I will remember the number from the RS232 module, 40 and 7. In the target setting, select 40, 7, universal switch, 1, on, and save. This is now sending a message to the RS232 module. Because it's a single on-off button, the second time you press it will turn the universal switch off and send the RS232 off to the projector. Using these methods, you can start to build powerful integration with both sending and receiving RS232 between HCL Bus Pro and other devices. That's the end of the RS232 module. If you have any further questions, please contact HCL Technical Support. Thank you.